everyone, and welcome to Denales Digital. As you know, on this channel we teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing so you can improve your business or become a digital marketer yourself. Today we're going to learn about a term called keywords. As a marketer, I'm sure you may have heard that term before, keywords, okay? But what is it? Do you know that already? So let's say someone goes to Google search box and enters a description of what he's looking for. So let's say he enters wedding cakes. That term wedding cakes becomes the keyword because that is what he or she is searching for in order to get results. So as a marketer, how do you set up good keywords so that when somebody searches for a description in relation to what you sell, you can pop up? Stay tuned to learn more. Let's start by explaining what a keyword is. A keyword is simply the term that someone searches for in a search engine box in order to get results. Now, as a marketer, I mentioned earlier that you need to understand the type of keywords in order to set up a good campaign which can attract your business to show up anytime somebody searches for a key term or a keyword in relation to what you sell. Now, the keywords are three. Let's touch on them. 1. Broad keyword. 2. Phrase keyword. And 3. Exact keyword. So as a marketer, when you are setting up your Google search campaign and you get to the keyword section, you need to choose whether you want your keyword to be broad, phrase, or exact. Now let's explain into detail what each of these type of keywords mean. So the first one, which is broad keyword. If an advertiser, you set your keywords to be broad keywords, and let's say wedding cake was an example of keyword that you chose, then when someone searches for wedding or cake, your ad will show. Okay, so it means that any of the keywords that you, the advertiser, have set up can show when someone searches for it. So as I said, an example is the wedding cake. When you set up wedding cake as your keyword and me, the consumer, I type in just wedding, let's say wedding dress, your ad may still show. Or when I put there, let's say bread cake, your ad may still show. Why? Because cake is part of what the person searched for, and on the other example, wedding was part of what the person searched for. But the truth is that you may not be selling wedding dresses, although your key term was wedding cake. And so in that case, broad keyword wouldn't be the correct type of keyword to use. So this brings me to the second one, which is phrase keyword. For phrase keywords, any key term that you choose, it means that when somebody is searching for something on Google, the person must type in all the two. So in that case, when let's say I'm the consumer and I type in wedding dress, my ad wouldn't show because me, the advertiser, I put there wedding cake. The same way, when somebody types, let's say bread cake, still my ad wouldn't show because I need both the two keywords to be present in whatever the person is searching for. So definitely there should be wedding and there should be cake in the term that the person is searching for before my ad should show. And so if you use phrase keywords, it means that both or all terms of the keywords should be in the query that the person is searching for in order for your ad to show. The third keyword type, which is the exact. With this, it means that whatever your keyword is, that should be exactly what the person should type in the Google search box before your ad will pop up. So using the wedding cake as an example here too, it means that when the person types wedding cake and nothing else, your ad will show. But when the person types wedding cake in Accra, just the fact that he's added in Accra will mean that your ad wouldn't show because your keyword type is exact. It should be exactly what you, the advertiser, stipulated in your campaign. Okay, so this may not be very popular, but it is good for people who have niche markets. So let's say you sell kiwi fruits. Remember, there's a bird called kiwi and there's a shoe polish called kiwi. And so if you don't specify that it is kiwi fruits and using the exact keyword, anybody who searches for kiwi bird may see your ad, and that may not make sense to what you sell because you don't sell birds, neither do you sell polish. So again, these are the three main types of keywords. 1. The broad keyword, 2. The phrase keyword, and 3. The exact keyword. Okay, so enough of the theory. Let's go to practicals and see how this can be done. How do you even set up account? Where do you even find this keyword thing to even input your keywords? Are there any software that can help us do this? Sure, we will look at all these. So let me share my screen and let's get practical.
On this slide, which is the keyword planner, it is good for you to remember all the keywords that you think your customer will type in, but you don't always have it all. You don't always know it all. So that's why there are softwares to help you do this. So there is a software called Keyword Planner. Keyword Planner. What does this do? This can help you find new keywords by entering 1 or 2. So let's say I'm working for Rosilia and she's into home care. So I type home care nursing. But those are the only ones I remember. So I'm telling the software that these are the ones I remember. Give me keywords that are relatable to these ones. So the keyword will give you that. Or maybe a phrase, building houses in Ghana. That is all you remember. Maybe you are a real estate company. That is all you remember. The system will take that phrase and look for similar phrase. And the system even does it better. Do you know why? The system has knows what people are searching over the years, and so can tell you even relatable search terms as compared to only you having to remember everything. What if I don't even remember anything and I have a URL? I can also use a URL. My website is www.airteltigo.com. The system will run through your website and pick keywords relatable to your business. So where can I even find this? On the same Google Ads, you go under tools and then you can find this beautiful tool called the Keyword Planner. So you remember the drill? It's ads.google.com. No. Ads.google.com. So please enter that in your browser and sign up. So I think it looks at the Google accounts on your machine and it picks one. So once you open your dashboard, you see something similar to this. And you see this called tools. Tools, please you all see it. Tools. So I click on my tools, and on my left, I see Keyword Planner. Boom. And that is it. So I see my beautiful Keyword Planner. It's asking me which of my accounts I want to use. I choose my account. And I want to discover keywords. So I click on Discover Keywords. And then as I mentioned, you can enter some few keywords. So let me use Rosilia's own as an example. Home care. Merely I hit enter, it will pick it as one keyword. Then I type another one, let's say nursing. I hit enter, it picks it up. These are the only two I remember. So I click on get results. System will keep searching for a while and tell me that, oh, Alice, you gave me home care and nursing, but I have some other ideas for you. So there is nurse practitioner, you can keep going down. Nursing homes, BSc nursing, registered nurse, home health care, travel nurse, and all that. So because it is just giving you ideas, it's not everything that will make sense for you. So you can go to and pick the ones that make sense for you by ticking it. So I think nurse practitioner works for me, so I tick it. Then I go down. Nursing home works for me, so I tick that as well. What else? TravelNet works for me, so I tick TravelNet. So let's say these are the ones that work for me, okay? And then what do? I can copy them. You see this copy here. I click on the copy. If I have a Word document, just put it there. I can save that. So you can actually take as many as possible, or you can even take all. If you think everything works for you, you take all here.
Now that we have populated all our keywords using the keyword planner, what we have to do is that when we select, let's say, all the keywords from the keyword planner, automatically it is a broad match keyword, but we can click on the drop down menu by the broad match keyword and choose. So if it's phrase match, we click on the phrase match and you realize that now our keywords are phrase match keywords. But if we intend to do exact match, we click on the drop down again and click exact. Okay, so that is how you can change your keyword from broad match to either phrase or to either exact match. Okay, so let's say you now have the selected keywords that you have, which let's say you chose phrase match. What you need to do is that you need to add it to a campaign. Remember, this is your keyword planner, so you have to put it in a campaign. So you have an existing campaign. If indeed you have an existing campaign, click on existing campaign. The system will ask you, okay, choose any of the campaigns that you want this to work on. So let's say I choose the second one, then choose the ad group. Let's say I choose the ad group, and then voila, these keywords I have chosen goes to add up to that ad group under the campaign. Okay, so that is it. After I use your keyword planner, again, you can come here, choose an existing campaign, and just add it to the campaign as a keyword.
So thank you all for joining us today to learn about keywords when setting up search campaigns. So you've learned that there are 3 kinds of keywords: the broad keywords, the phrase, and the exact. You've also learned about softwares we can use to get a lot of keywords, like the keyword planner, and also how to set up a proper keyword in the Google Ads Manager dashboard. So thank you once again, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do well to click on the subscription button. And if you haven't watched other videos, please do watch all my videos, and don't forget to share to anybody who will be interested in learning digital. Remember, digital is the future. Bye!